There is something about rainy evenings that slow the world down just enough for us to notice the beauty in ordinary moments. Hi, love. How are you? Thank you for joining me on another vlog. Spend a rainy evening with us in our African home. I hope you enjoy it. It's gonna rain any minute from now. The evening was beginning quietly, clouds gathering slowly in the sky, the kind that makes you wonder whether the rain will actually come or simply pass us by. I had poured myself a small glass of wine and stepped outside for a moment, just watching the sky settle into that grey, thoughtful mood. And then the rain began. At first, it was just soft little patters on the roof, gentle, almost shy. But before long, it grew into a full, determined storm. The kind of rain that suddenly reminds you, oh, the laundry. So I dashed outside to rescue it before everything got soaked. And there is the rain. The rainy season in my country, which is Kenya, begins around March all the way to May. So we are currently set for the long rains. They've started off with a lot of fury. It's been flooding a lot. I mean, after the heat wave that has been there before the rain started, we were really longing for the rains, but unfortunately they've come with a lot of rage. A lot of damages, a lot of deaths have occurred from this rain. So as much as it's a welcome relief from the hot weather, we are also praying and hoping that it does not go to the extreme. But that aside, all factors held constant, I am a lover of rain, and there's nothing better than a rainy evening when you're home and all your loved ones are home and you're tucked in the warmth of each other's presence and under a warm, beautiful shelter. Do you love rain yourself? Do you love rainy days? Or do you prefer when it is sunny? I'd love to know. Once back inside, I decided the evening needed something warm. So I put the kettle on and made myself a cup of coffee. Partly for the warmth, but also because I love the aroma that slowly fills the house. There is something about the smell of coffee on a rainy evening that makes our home feel extra alive. The storm had taken the power out for a while, so I lit a lamp and continued cooking that way. And honestly, I don't mind it at all. There is something incredibly soothing about cooking while the rain falls outside. The smooth rhythm of the rain, the warmth of the kitchen, the quiet focus of preparing a meal. It felt simple and peaceful. Soon enough, dinner was ready, and as if on cue, the power came back. I finally settled onto the couch, a little tired but content, catching up on a few YouTube videos while the rain continued its quiet performance outside. And somewhere between the comfort of the couch and the sound of the rain, I must have drifted off. A short evening, but a very beautiful one. Thank you for watching this vlog. See you on the next one.